Hello friends, my name is Radhamasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the sprint planning meeting. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you are a person who is implementing the Scrum framework for the implementation of software development projects. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. Friend, sprint planning meeting is basically an ceremony or an event in the Scrum framework. A Scrum framework we use to implement the software projects. Whenever we are starting any sprint, so we have to do a sprint planning meeting in which basically the Scrum Master, product owner, and the Scrum team participates. Basically, in the sprint planning meeting, what actually we discuss that what is the sprint goal, okay, what product backlog items are already done, who is available for this sprint, what is the team capacity, and what is included in the goal of the sprint actually. Okay, so these are the main questions which are asked in the sprint planning meeting. So sprint planning meeting is basically an event in Scrum that kicks off the sprint. The purpose of sprint planning is to define what can be delivered in the sprint and how that work will be achieved. Sprint planning is done in collaboration with the whole Scrum team, which includes product owner and the Scrum Master as well. So the first question is the what. That means the product owner describes the objectives, goals of the sprint and what backlog items contribute to that goal. The Scrum team describes what can be done in the coming sprint and what they will do during the sprint to make that happen. Then how? The development team plans the work necessary to deliver the sprint goal. Ultimately, the resulting sprint plan is a negotiation between the development team and product owner based on the value and effort. Then how? Who? So you cannot do sprint planning without the product owner or the development team. The product owner defines the goal based on the value that they seek. The development team needs to understand how they can or cannot deliver that goal. If either is missing from this event, it makes planning the sprint almost impossible. The inputs. A great starting point for the sprint plan is the product backlog, as it provides a list of stuff that could potentially be part of the current sprint. The team should also look at the existing work done in the increment and have a view to capacity. The outputs. The most important outcome for the sprint planning meeting is that the team can describe the goal of the sprint and how it will start working toward that goal. This is made visible in the sprint backlog actually. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.